Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and my son, Greg Johnson, and today is New Year's Day 2017, and we're going to give you the very first adjustment crack of the year here at home. So Happy New Year. This is what I do on him when he comes home from work. Come over here, Renee. This is the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. There we go. Good job. Okay, now. We also get his anteriors here up against the wall. These are for thoracic spine. Oh, yeah. There we go. Very good. So see, he's all straightened up now. And Happy New Year to y'all from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.